Hey, welcome back friend, and now I hope you understand about affiliate marketing blueprint. And in this video we will going to teach you how you can select right network for your affiliate marketing business, because in the marketplace so many thousands affiliate network available, but what I am using and what is the best affiliate marketing network we will going to explain you on here. So let's move on the computer and explain you everything about it.
Okay friend, so now I'm going to explain you what is the best affiliate network for join as a long time affiliate marketing business. So in the marketplace available thousands of affiliate network, but I'm not recommending every all. So what network I am working with. So number one, my favorite number one is Zebizo is the best digital product affiliate network. So it is completely free. You can go to jbzoo.com and click the start for free and sign up now. This is the one of the best affiliate marketing network, and it is award winning and so many things. When you learn later what is the power of this network and how you can pay the commission and everything. So now it is completely free. You just put name and email and your password and select country and register now. After then you can confirm your email and it will register automatically. And second network I am recommending you Clickbank. Clickbank is the best affiliate marketing network. It is paid out $1 billion, $1 billion revenue commission every year to your affiliates and vendor. So this is completely free, and you can see it is showing me enter your email id and start your account. So it is completely free. Click the link below and go to join now. And third is my favorite Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is the most favorite network for promoting affiliate marketing product. Like you can promote software, you can promote affiliate courses, you can promote so many of vendors available. They launching everyday course, and you can select and promote offer. And this is one of my favorite Warrior Plus network, because I have been generating approximately $10,000 in the last year. So that is good amount of money for me, but you can also generate good amount of commission using Warrior Plus network. So go to and sign up now. Okay, once click the link below and go to join now, and next video we will showing you how you can select right product using this network and how you can promote.
So I hope you learn what is the best network for you, and go to click the link below and go to join uh, Warrior Plus Zebizo and Clickbank. It is the best affiliate marketing network for you. Join now, and the next video we will going to explain what is the best product for you to promote affiliate offer. So thanks for watching. We will meet you in another video.